Here it says a quiz contains 5 true and false questions. Suppose you guess randomly on every question. The table below gives the probability of each score. So notice in the table you can get a 0, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, or a 5. These are the only possibilities because there's just 5 questions. You can only get 5 points. So the probabilities, if you were to add them together, they would be 1. Or if the probability of each question was converted to a percent, so like for example, this would be 3.1%, and this would be 15.6%. If they were all converted to percents, if you were to add the percents all together, you would get 100%. All right, let's look at the questions. The first one says, what is the probability of guessing 3 or more correct? So all you need to do is look at the scores and see which of the rows are we talking about. Well, I could have guessed 3 correct. That's the probability. Or 4. Or I could have guessed 5 correct. These are the only rows I'm looking at. I'm going to add the probability of guessing 3, 4, or 5 correct to get the total probability. And when I add these together, I get 0.5, or 50%. All right, let's look at the next one. What is the probability of guessing fewer than 2 correct? All right, which rows are we talking about? Fewer than 2. Well, 0 is fewer than 2. So we'll look at this probability. 1 is fewer than 2. So we'll look at this probability. Is 2 fewer than 2? No. If it said guessing 2 or fewer correct, then we would include this 2 in this probability. But it's just saying fewer than 2. So we're going to add these two together, and we get 0.187, or 18.7%.